I'm going to need 2 boxes for this here, and I'll add a second one here because it goes across the line, right? So you have to start off on the end of this first line and go through the middle of the second. A, that's a hard note for me to sing. A, G, E, D, E, G2, G2, G0, D2, D0, D2. Ooh, how fun is that? You can add a little pang to it. I'll do that again. Good. We're going to move on to the third phrase. Third phrase, of course, we're really learning a strong melody here, so it's going to take a lot of string jumps. G2, A, wow, look at that. G2 to A0. You're going to really have to jump your thumb. That's a big thumb jumper. We go to a high note to a low note. Remember, anytime high notes to low notes happen, you're really going to have to... or if you just play that... You could play that rhythm so many different ways and the melody still works. D2, D0, A2, A0, A0. Okay, and now we're going to go to that last phrase down over here. Our last little D, D2, D0, A2, A3, A0, A0. D2, D0, A2, A3, A0, A0. Hey, if you were to guess what key this is in, what key do you think it would be? Good, yeah. John's got it right. It's an A minor. A, E, D, A. Right here. A, G, E, D, E. Now we're here. A, C, E, D, A. Last phrase. E, D, B, C, A. Okay. Hey, how many times are you going to have to play this song before it's going to feel done? Everyone put in a number right now. How many times do you think you should play this before Friday? Ooh, Aiden just put an A+ answer in there. I hope we have some other muffins that put in some answers just like that. Ooh, Alex is going to have it better. Good. Now, I want to point out that even if you're going real slowly, it probably won't. How long is this melody? We could time it if we really needed to. I bet it's 30 seconds long. 30 seconds long. And if let's do a little math here. I'm going to get my calculator up and going. Where's my calculator? Here we are. Here's my calculator. Okay, if this is 30 seconds, 30 seconds is 0.5 minutes. 0.5 minutes. And if you are practicing for 20 minutes today, and if you're practicing for 20 minutes tomorrow, so if we divide 20 minutes times 0.5, we're going to get 40. Wow. You could play this 40 times in one day if you took absolutely no breaks. That's including false starts, by the way. That's including just little bits of the song. So if you just play half of the song, that counts as trying to play the whole song. It really does. So I want to point out that if you have, let's see, if you have today, which is Wednesday, and then Thursday, and then Friday, that should be 60 minutes of practicing. So divided by 0.5, with a little luck, you can squeeze in 100 times. 120 times. So I just want to point out that, even though 100 seems like a really big number, I don't want you guys to be freaked out by that. Okay. Also, your writing in the notes counts as one time, right? And you're going over the notes. Some of the things that we've done in class today count. So I always want to remind you guys that these numbers that we talk about, playing it 100 times, are very, very attainable and possible with just that little bit of diligence. Okay, I'm going to delete my orange boxes right now. I'm going to play this thing all the way through right now. I'd love for you guys to play along with me. I'm going to start off on that low A. Here we go. From the top. Boy, I wish I had a little thing to follow along with me. I think I might have some of those tools here in the next couple days. I learned some new programs, and I think you guys are going to like them. Here we are. 1, 2, go. A, B, A3, D2, D0, A0, A0. G2, G2, G0, D2, D0, D2. It's hard for me to do this at the same time. G2, A0, A3. D2, D0, A2, A0, A0. D2, D0, A2, A3, A0, A0. Let's do it again. This time I'm not going to say the fingerings, but I'll move the mouse. Now we're here. Long note, G2. Last line. We just played these notes, now we're here. And then if you want to finish it off with an A minor, it adds to the mood. Na, 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 ya, ya, na, na. Ya, na, 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 na. Ta, na, ba, na, ya, ya, na, na, na. Da, 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 do, da, da. I kind of sang some notes on there incorrectly, but it gives you an idea. 100 times, my friends. Okay. Actually, you know what? I'm not going to give any specific, what do you call it?